breaks across the pasture, golden light on weathered wood, coffee steaming on the tailgate, thanking God for what is good. The wind moves slow through rows of cornfields, like a hymn the prairie sings, a quiet kind of hallelujah in the ordinary things. I ain't looking for the bright lights or a road that never ends under these country skies, where the world slows down and breathes, where the stars still testify. There's a hand watching over me, every mile and every mile marker, every prayer the daylight hears. I find peace I can't explain under these country skies out here. Gravel crunching down a back road, fence lines stretch for miles and miles, dust and daylight on my shoulders, simple work and honest trials. Heaven feels a little closer when the night turns dark and wide, and the silence starts reminding me I'm small in the best kind of size. I don't need a crowded skyline, just a true